Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact restriction message. This tells you why Google flagged the account. Next, sign in on a trusted device where you've used Gmail before. Because Google weighs familiar devices, this reduces friction. Once signed in, open account settings and go to Security. Make sure recovery email and phone are current. Also collect recent login dates, IP approximations, and any two-step prompts. You'll need these for verification during the appeal. Now continue by using the account recovery flow and answer questions precisely. Google compares your responses to historical data. When prompted, upload a government ID or other supporting documents. Make sure scans are clear and the name matches the account. If you enabled two-step verification, follow those prompts exactly. Don't skip. Keep a log of times, error messages, and any codes you receive, because that chronology helps reviewers understand your case and speeds up. Finish by reviewing everything you submitted. Correct mismatches before sending the appeal because small errors cause denials. After you submit, wait 24 to 72 hours for Google's review and check the recovery email plus spam folder. If the account is reinstated, immediately update passwords and enable two-step verification. If denied, don't panic. Prepare a focused appeal that lists the exact changes you made, attach clear supporting documents, and include device login dates. That troubleshooting step often turns a denial into approval.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.